Hello friends, in today's video we'll discuss about weekly forecast of Nifty, Bank Nifty for the coming 4 trading sessions. 31st we have expiry, first is a trading holiday and we have borrowed trading sessions, and after that Saturday, Sunday, so we only have 4 trading sessions in the coming week, which are going to be very exciting. The reason for that is it's a monthly expiry and this is a 5 weeks expiry. So if you see here 3, 10, 17, 24, 31. So whenever we have 5 weeks expiry, you tend to see a very trending move in market. So I mean this I have discussed in my previous videos also. So if we go back and see when was the 5 weeks expiry, it was in August, right? So let's quickly go and check what happened in August last week. So I'll go to the daily chart. August last week was somewhere here, 29th August. So you see a good trending move came into the market. The market either remains up, whatever is the trend of Monday, it tries to follow till Thursday. So it will be a good trending move. Now we have seen the market falling almost 8%. On a weekly chart, if I go, Nifty is down almost 4 weeks in a row. Bank Nifty is looking bit strong as compared to Nifty on a weekly chart because Bank Nifty has not broken its 7th October low. And another important thing is the ICICI Bank results. I mean, they come really fantastic in all the fronts. So hopefully ICICI Bank will open gap up, and HDFC Bank is also looking stable. So yes, there is a problem in the lower on the retail loan, unsecured loan sides in Indus India Bank, but I mean ICICI and HDFC are having the highest weightage, and even Bank of Baroda came up with a good set of numbers. So this shows why Bank Nifty is showing strength. I mean, the market knows all the things well in advance, and Nifty broke its 7th October low, but Bank Nifty didn't. So this is done. Now, what could happen in the next week is something which you are focusing on. So first, let's go from the Gann time cycle perspective. So if you see here, I've opened Nifty's chart, and if I this is a static tool like a video which I made yesterday. You can go through that. So you have to go to time extension static. This was the major bottom on 4th June, and this was the major top. So the next important trend changing date is coming on 28th October. And similarly, 27th October was when Nifty made the all-time low of 2252. Not all-time low, the global financial crisis low of 2252. So these are important time cycles. And even if you see Nifty chart on last year also, it made a bottom somewhere in October. Uh, so we are on a weekly chart. Let me go to a daily chart. And from there we had a very nice rally. So this was the bottom around 26 October, and from there next day it opened gap up and then it moved up. So can the same history repeat? I mean, we have to again focus on the levels. The first thing is Nifty has to close about around its high. See, for all these things, for all this fall, Nifty was never able to close around the highs. If it opens around the highs, next day it opens gap up, it gets sold off into. So this is first thing we have to see. It should close above the highs for at least 2 trading sessions. That will give us an indication a short-term bottom is in place. And if suppose it breaks this level, I mean, because it is about probabilities, anything can happen. The first target will be around this swing low, which is around 23,893. If 23,900 is also gone, then we are heading towards the 200-day moving average of Nifty, which is somewhere around. Let's quickly open the chart. 200-day moving average is around 23,375. I mean, the FIs are selling almost 1 lakh, almost 1 lakh is crossed. I mean, this is the highest sell figure. I mean, results are bad, but I think the major reason for this kind of selling is the stoppage of weekly expiry by the SEBI, because this thing happened. I think SEBI came up with its rule on 1st of October, and from the very next day it started falling. So FIS, I mean, because to manage their option positions, the weekly has, I mean, they have made a lot of money on weekly options. I mean, Jane Street, and there are a lot of things which have proven that. And to manage their position, they always have to take deliveries of SGFC, ICICI, all the index heavy weightage. And we are seeing the fall in these kind of things. So SEBI rule changes can be one of the reasons. Corporate earnings not coming good, because one thing which you need to understand is most of the markets move in sync. So all the world markets are hitting 52-week high. They are trading near all-time highs except index, except Nifty, and obviously China, which have their own reasons. But this is something which needs to be observed. So now let's go to the Astro thing. So there is an important ingress which is happening, sorry, aspect which is happening, which is Mars and Saturn, which is 120-degree. And I've observed whenever this aspect is formed, it's a very, very rare aspect once in a year, you generally tend to see a trending move, either both on upside or downside. Like it happened here, we got a good trending move, and it will be a good move. See here, three days of regular fall. And we have one more thing, it here, and it made a bottom. From there a good rally also came. This was a short term bottom of the market. So this is one thing. Then we have Bayes rule also coming up, which is Bayes rule 9. Let me apply that also. So the rule says big changes on the market and when Mercury passes 19-degree 36 minutes of Scorpio and Sagittarius, and also over 24-degree 14 minutes of Capricorn. So 19-degree 44 degrees of Capricorn, and if we calculate and see, is it, I mean, the rule says big changes in the market. So it is happening on 20, 6th. It happened on 26th, but the next trading day is 28th. So we have to. So after that, we had a big change. The market was consolidating. It started going in a trending move. From there, a big change again happened. From there, a big change happened. So this rule seems to be working. But again, Astro is not a holy grail. So, here it didn't perform anything. Here we had a good fall. Here good rally, kind of good rally. So yeah, 3 out of five instances this rule works. So, but it is coinciding with the Gann cycles, and like I've told many times, whenever Gann and Astro meet, you tend to see some really good moves in the market. So let's see, is it different this time, or do we will see a really good trending move again? And let's quickly look at the technical chart. So Bank Nifty, this is Fin Nifty, it's still forming ABCD pattern. And if I go to Bank Nifty also on primary, the alternate ABCD pattern, and the up move, I mean till the 7th October low is held, we can see a rally towards 55,000, and it's a good risk to reward trade. Weekly, we are back to the Andrew Pitchback support, and monthly, still we are trading above the last month's low, so which is kind of good only. I mean, the bull trend is intact. Nifty has corrected. Now it is back to its Andrew Pitchback support zone. AF zone, yes, this is showing a bearish trend towards 23,647, and this will get invalidated once we start trading about 24,600. And weekly and monthly, yes, monthly is looking also very bearish, because we are almost near 2 months low, so which is something needs to be avoided. So last week, the market has, I mean, if it has to negate this, at least it should close above last month's low, which is somewhere around 24,753 odd levels. So last month low is somewhere at this point, 24,753. It has to close above this point, so which requires a rally of almost 500 600 points. Let's see we get it or not. So, and now let me quickly show you the neural forecast also, what I'm showing for Nifty. Again, neural forecast is not a holy grail, but it gives you a bit of idea. So it shows like we can form a bottom around 28th, a rally till 31st, then a fall till 5th, and then a big rally is what it is showing. So basically next week can be an up move, in the market. And so fourth, fifth, the US elections will get over, and from there it is showing some good rally. Let's see. Yeah, one more reason why FI might be selling is probably because of this US election uncertainty. But again, Indian markets were quite expensive, and after the elections are over, and if Mr. Trump gets elected, so that will be very positive for emerging markets per se, and probably so the flows can again start. Now let's quickly look at Bank Nifty also. Again, it is showing something similar, like 28th can be a bottom, and a rally till 31st, and a fall till 5th, and from there a good rally. So this is what it is showing. Again, to reiterate, this is not a holy grail. It has been proven wrong a lot of times, so don't blindly take a trade on this. Our price should confirm. And here are the levels which I'm watching out. Finance Nifty 23,729, Nifty 24,127, Bank Nifty 58,71, and these are the targets where we can keep booking profits and trail your positions and keep 55 point stop loss on Nifty and Bank Nifty and 108 point stop loss on Bank Nifty. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you guys all the best. Advance season greetings and Diwali and Dhanteras greetings to all my viewers. Again, I wish you guys all the best. Thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.